Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Zero 2 SIM card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like my video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is pay monthly SIM. So insert the SIM card into your phone, turn on your phone. Your SIM should activate automatically within a few seconds. If it doesn't activate automatically, restart your phone or contact O2 support. If you're using that for pay-as-you-go, PAYG SIMs, insert the SIM card into your phone, turn on your phone, top up your account to activate. So dial 4444 from your O2 phone and follow the prompts. You can also top up online at 02.co.uk. Now, if you want to keep your old number, you still can. So if you want to transfer your old number to O2, you can request a pack code from your old network. So text PAC to 65075 and then go to o2.co.uk, keep my number, and enter your pack code and temporary O2 number. The switch usually happens within 1 working day.